Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we are looking at a 75-degree temperature. We have a dew point value coming in at 74, and the heat index is at 75. As we progress through the day, we'll watch our temperatures continue to climb up to about 90 degrees, 10% chance of rain as we head into lunchtime. I think most of the rain is going to hold off probably between that 4, 5, 6 o'clock time frame. We'll bump up the rain chance at 3 p.m. to about 60%. That's mostly in inland areas, and then start after about 7 o'clock to trend it down as the heating of the day dissipates and we kind of develop a stable layer on the ground with all of the rainfall that we will be getting before then. So we'll look at Titan radar right now, but we're not going to see a whole lot over our neck of the woods. We've had some showers down in the southern tip of the state during the overnight, and also over on the other coast, we're getting that onshore flow that's picking up a few showers already. We have a little trough, a low pressure that's located across the state, kind of moving across, and that'll enhance our rainfall chances a little bit today. Certainly right now, everything is very quiet. We've got some area rivers that are in flood stage, and it's minor flooding, not a big deal, but nevertheless, just an indication of the amount of rain that we've gotten over the last several days, when, in fact, we have been having an abnormally dry August. In fact, I believe the second driest August on record. Last year, August was the wettest August on record, so kind of a big change over the course of a year. We have this easterly wind flow continuing today. We'll look for a temperature solidly in the 80s by around 10, 11 o'clock. And then as we head toward noon, that temperature will get pretty close to the 90 mark. Sky cover will begin to increase by 2, 3 o'clock. We'll start to see those clouds building and showers begin to move in. As we head into drive time tonight, you can expect to see a few of those thunderstorms around. So if you are headed to the polls near the coast, I'm telling you that that's going to be the best time for seeing some bigger thunderstorms around. 4, 5, 6 o'clock. You could see even some strong to severe storms around. As those storms exit out into Gulf waters, everything quiets down. A lot like yesterday. A lot like it'll be tomorrow as well. We're kind of in that pattern, which is locked in because of a big ridge of high pressure that sits just to our north. Quiet in the tropics right now. The Gulf waters, the Caribbean, the near Atlantic all look quiet. Out in the Atlantic, far out in the Atlantic, off the coast of Africa, is a zone that some forecast models say might have some development there as a tropical wave exits off Africa later in the next couple of days. When that happens, maybe down the road, we might see some development, but it's a long way off, and it's certainly nothing that's imminent, so plenty of time to watch that. As far as the forecast goes, east wind comes in at about 10, light chop, 2-foot seas, and the forecast calling for a daytime high that tops out around 92 today, and tomorrow 60% chance of showers. Maybe a little less coverage on Thursday, some drier air will move in, and that trough of low pressure will exit. But then the rain chances go right back up for Saturday and Sunday. Again, mostly the afternoon variety coming in later in the day, breaking that daytime heat, but also producing frequent lightning strikes.